you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
What's going on, man? How you been, man?
I'm doing good.
Yeah, it's warming up a little bit out here today. We can't complain. Yeah. How y'all doing, man? What's going on, man?
I redeemed myself.
Yeah.
I ain't got the 5-gallon buckets no more.
It's been a while since I seen you.
Right?
Oh, yeah.
Some new audio ways, man.
Oh, this one there. Them new ones right there.
Yeah, they tough, man. Justice.
And they hit right.
They look good, too.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
It's a little warm, so I can't give you too much of the demo.
Whatever you can do.
Yeah. But you'll be impressed with me from last time. That was embarrassing.
Nah, it wasn't, man. Yeah, it don't matter, man. It's all good either way. How long you had this one?
I had this about a year. About a year now, Larry? Yeah. I sold a Trailblazer. I put another couple $1,000 in that son of a bitch.
So it was time to get away from it.
Yeah. This ain't rebase music either.
Okay.
Bragging, I accepted the challenge and turned me into a savage. I broke a promise to myself again. I don't know why I'm so vulnerable.
And that ain't rebase at all.
That ain't rebase.
No,
look,
clean.
Oh yeah.
All the way through.
Oh yeah. You the real deal, man.
I know.
Man, it's good thing,
Let
man.
me give you one more. I'll get a short 10 seconds.
Okay. That's on the Big Boss 5Ks, right?
8Ks.
8K2 up.
Yeah. Audio Ace.
Which one, Jester?
Jester 18s.
You already knew what they were.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I sell them, I might as well run them.
Yeah, that's the way you do it.
Yeah.
That way people know what they do.
They're not even broke in yet.
Yeah.
Brand new.
Brand new.
Yeah, that's why you smell them.
Not even broke in yet.
I had them for 6-7 months and they ain't really been.
And they didn't even turn it up like this.
Turn it up, yeah.
Social media, man. They follow.
Follow us on TikTok on Holler Hustlers, DB Hustlers, and Breeze Repair.
I'm gonna be sure to tag them down. Look good thing, bro.
You too,
Yeah, we'll do it again. Yeah.
You got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.